Welcome back to Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and in today's walk around video we're looking at pre-owned 2021 Toyota C-HR LE front wheel drive in white color. This 5-seater subcompact SUV comes with a 2-liter motor, 4-cylinder, and paired with automatic transmission. This powertrain produces 144 horsepower. Some of the exterior features here at the front: we see LED headlamps, Toyota safety sensors integrated into the front part. We have recovery hook right here, mesh grille, adaptive cruise control sensor integrated into the windshield, and 17-inch wheels with steel rims. Exterior features on the side including a roof-integrated shark fin antenna, rear spoiler, body-colored door handles, and the door handle for the rear door placed in the top right corner. We have black over fenders and door moldings. Exterior mirror have integrated turning light in them. In order to lock or unlock the C-HR, we're using this key fob. And this is the key to start engine. Driver's door is equipped with powered windows and power doors with window lock and exterior mirror adjustment. On the side from the tilted and telescopic steering wheel, we have automatic high beams, powered gas tank hatch release, and brightness adjustment for driver informational display. In front of the driver, we have the driver informational gauge cluster with 4-inch digital screen when we can flip through our settings. To control those settings, simply use the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel. That's informational gauge cluster. I'm in ignition on mode right now. That's why I have check engine light, but if I start the vehicle, it goes away. Also on the steering wheel we have audio controls, hands-free, voice intelligent assistant, and a cruise control switch placed here behind the steering wheel, but we can operate the front sonar sensor or lane departure alert from the steering wheel as well. Trip reset button is right here, our windshield controls here, and moving to the center of the dash we have 8-inch Toyota multimedia touchscreen with the Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay Android Auto. We can quickly flip through the screens here. And down below here we have air vents with hazard lights button and dual automatic climate control with air conditioner and eco heat and cooling mode. Also we have front windshield de-icer with front windshield wipers de-icer, electronic rear window defroster along with the heated exterior mirrors. Moving down we have USB port here. Just trying to make it a bit brighter. USB port with storage compartment, probably perfect for the phone. Cup holders, one cup holder and the second cup holder, and we have our gear shifter with electronic parking brake with brake hold and traction control off button. Central console has this armrest with the 12-volt outlet. Dash, central dash equipped with the speakers and soft to touch material here. We have rear view mirror and map lights for the driver and the front passenger. Sun visor have integrated mirror. Seats inside this Toyota C-HR made of high quality fabric material with headrests. Both driver and front passenger seats are manually adjustable. Let's look at the rear passenger area here. Both rear doors equipped with children's safety locks on the side. We have powered windows buttons here and cup holders. And also rear seats could be folded to extend cargo area right here. And here's a children's seat anchors here. The full rear seat could be folded. Moving to the back here, we can look at our tail lights, Toyota C-HR badging, 2 additional lights with rear view camera. And here's our rear bumper. In order to open trunk door, we just simply press the button behind the logo and getting access to the cargo area. Here is some storage pouches here with the hooks for your cargo net. Additional light here. And spare tire with tools to replace. Let's have a last look at this pre-owned 2021 Toyota C-HR LE front-wheel drive that we have here in stock. This vehicle has very low kilometers, comes with the Toyota multimedia touchscreen with Apple CarPlay Android Auto and Bluetooth, Has electronic parking brake with the brake hold, dual automatic climate control with eco heat and cooling mode, and also heated exterior mirrors, windshield and rear window, adaptive cruise control, and other great features. Stop by to test drive this C-HR today. We're located at 137 Avenue in St. Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, the big Toyota dealership